Before you start, assemble the essential materials to guarantee a smooth drawing process. Drawing paper. Utilize top-notch drawing paper that can deal with point-by-point pencil work and concealing. Pencils. Have a scope of pencils from H, for light portraying, to 2B or 4B, for more obscure overshadowing. Eraser. A massaged eraser is great for remedying slip-ups and refining subtleties. Ruler. Fundamental for defining straight boundaries and keeping up with evenness.
Compass, valuable for drawing exact circles, which might help in the underlying advances. Protractor, for estimating points precisely. Fine-tip pen or marker, for framing the last drawing. Hued pencils or markers. Discretionary, for adding variety to your 3D star. Mixing apparatuses, use mixing stumps or tissue paper for smooth overshadowing.
Drawing a 3D star can be an intriguing and remunerating imaginative undertaking, as it includes both mathematical accuracy and innovative concealing methods. This guide will make you through the cycle stride by step, guaranteeing you make a staggering 3D star that seems to jump off the page. We should make a plunge and investigate how to draw a 3D star.
Drawing a 3D star is a remunerating imaginative undertaking that joins mathematical accuracy with inventive articulation. By following this bit-by-bit guide and rehearsing consistently, you can dominate the strategies expected to make staggering and practical portrayals of 3-layered stars. Keep in mind, the way to progress is persistence and trial and error. Feel free to attempt groundbreaking thoughts and push the limits of your inventiveness. Partake simultaneously and watch as you're drawn. Feel free to attempt groundbreaking thoughts and push the limits of your inventiveness. Partake simultaneously and watch as your drawings show some major signs of life, catching the noteworthy and ageless excellence of stars. Cheerful drawing.